Hi there, students. Decrepit. Decrepit is an adjective. I guess decrepitly as an adverb, or even decrepitude as a noun. I think the noun's a bit more unusual though. Okay, if something is decrepit, it's worn out, it's exhausted, it's in very bad condition because it's old, or because it hasn't been cared for, or because it's been used a lot, or some combination of the three. So he was a decrepit old man. Here, using decrepit, it says he's very old, he's very tired, he's probably going to die very soon. The buildings were decrepit and falling down. They needed to be renovated. They needed to be repaired and cared for. Yeah, if they'd been cared for in the past, then they wouldn't be so decrepit. The decrepit buses that make up our transport system, they're constantly breaking down, and they constantly need to be repaired. So, decrepit, enfeebled by old age, broken and worn out by hard, long use, dilapidated. Yeah, the decrepit car that I drive has driven 350,000 miles, so it's gone a long way. A decrepit old cinema that's falling to pieces, a decrepit hotel. Yeah, it's not cared for. There've been lots of people through it. It's run down. It's fallen into disrepair or ruin. I think maybe the shipbuilding industry in the UK is becoming more decrepit. Yeah, my decrepit car almost won't start anymore. It's feeble, it's frail, it's fragile, it's weak. Yeah, it constantly requires care. The decrepit machinery from the factory needed replacing. Maybe the decrepit people who pass laws in our parliament. Yeah, so decrepit, old and broken. He walked decrepitly down the street. Yeah, in a very tired, old, worn-out way. The decrepitude of these buildings is amazing. They need to be done up. Yes, they need to be refurbished. Okay, so something that's decrepit, it's weakened and worn out by old age and wear. So, how formal is this word decrepit? I think I'm only going to give this a 5 in formality. I think you can use it anywhere. I think this is a great word for your speaking, for your writings as well. It's a good choice of word because it's not the ordinary common word. Yeah, I think you can use it anywhere. As to origin, well, it comes through French from Latin decrepitus, very old, from crepare, to creak. Okay, a door's old, it creaks as it opens. So decrepit, aged, time-worn, withered, worn out, weakened, yeah, and about to just fall to pieces. Okay, so I don't know, some mornings when I wake up I feel a bit decrepit. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Decrepit.